my name is David Timothy's. This is my vending machine, and this is part two, one check twos. This is to make sure that it accepts dimes. So I'm gonna enter dime. So I have dime for my keyboard. I have dime as B. So as you see right now, it's not doing anything. But let me enter dime. Just show you. Okay, as you can see, 010. We'll enter another dime. Alright. So so as you see, 100, that's 4. Another dime. Alright, 110. If I enter the last dime, that should go stay 7 because that's the total amount that it needs to show. And as I stated to you guys earlier, is that the reason why it's not showing the right amount after 15 cents is that I had a difficulty trying to show it the 20 and 30 cents because those require the use of the two 7 display, and they have to be used independently. Thank you for watching.